Assalamu alaikum. Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome back to my channel. With you is a brother Abu Jandal. Today, inshallah, we shall continue with our Arabic learning challenge. In this challenge, we learn through questions and answers. Today, we have some sets of questions for you to provide the correct answers to in the comment section. And at the end of the video, a link will be placed above for you to compare your answers with our solutions. Are you ready? Let's dive in. We have 5 questions for you today, and these you have to translate into the Arabic equivalent. The first sentence we have today is he went to the school. He went to the school. Number 2, she went to the school. She went to the school. Number 3, you went to the school, meaning you male. When you're talking to a male, we went to the school. When you're talking to the male, you say you went to the school. You, this boy, you went to the school. You went to the school. Number 4, you female went to the school. When talking to the female, you went to the school. And lastly, I went to the school. I went to the school. Make sure you provide the correct answers to these at the comment section, and at the end, you can click on this link to compare your answers with our solutions. Until then, Assalamu alaikum.